Hi, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Mary Ann Di Mayo. I am 35 years old. I live in Camarines Norte, Bicol, Philippines. I am a married woman. I have 3 children. They are aged 14, 11, and 4 years old. My height is 157 centimeter and my weight is 54 kilograms. My hobbies are reading the book, singing, and dancing. I have work experiences as a domestic helper here in the Philippines. My first employer since 2006 to 2008. There are 4 family members. My primary duty to care the 1-year-old baby, including my duty, washing the clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, and cooking. My second employer since 2009 to 2010, there are 3 family members. My primary duty to care the 2 months old baby, including my duty, washing the clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, and cooking. My third employer, I work in Qatar since 2017 to 2019. There are 7 family members. My primary duty to care the newborn baby, including my duty, washing the clothes, ironing, and cleaning the house. The fourth employer, they are Chinese family here also in the Philippines. They are 4 family members. My primary duty to care the 4 months old baby and cleaning the room of baby. I finished the 6 months contract with them. I want work in Hong Kong because it's much higher salary to support our children and family here in the Philippines. Now, I would like to share my short song. The title is Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, in eyes and ears, in mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees, and toes. And are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John? Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. I hope you like my short song. To all prospective employer in Hong Kong, please hire me as a domestic helper. I am hardworking and trustworthy. I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities. I will follow your rules and regulations. I will finish my contract in 2 years with you. I will give my respect and loyalty to you. Thank you very much, Ma'am and Sir. I hope see you soon and make a bliss in your beautiful family. Have a nice day.